Yeah, by then the people are ready to leave, ready to jump out the window.
Now you'll have Mingags.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Jay, can you turn that up a little?
Yeah.
It'll be out soon. Yeah, we have a little that little private screen.
Yeah, that was awesome. Station ID, would you do that for us?
Yeah.
That'd be awesome. All right, cool. Mikey, like this. He went to.
Oh, I didn't know
He
that.
lives over that way.
Hey,
So,
Jay,
he's
can
in
you turn that up a
Madison.
little?
Listen to Mikey saying.
I was going to say, could you turn that up a little bit so I
Oh,
can get
okay.
that?
Big
Yeah.
bands, we.
Yeah, that's
I know.
So
might be too loud for them, though.
All right, just want to say hello. I love you.
All right, love you
And,
too.
you too, Rand.
Okay, all right.
Bye.
See ya.
Yeah, because it might be too loud for them.
Oh, no.
How
Yeah,
sad
Mikey.
for-
Mikey's not afraid.
He's
Like,
not the kid who knocks
Yeah,
on the
that
door
sounds
at 3 in the
great,
morning.
No, not 3 in the morning. No.
Yeah, she'll tell me like, kids knocked on the door at 3 o'clock in the morning and they
Nah.
asked if you were there, and it's like, even if you were there, you're not like. How can people just knock on a door and all the lights are out? It's 3 in the morning, like ding 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 ding.
Oh,
ding.
that's insane. That's just wrong.
Yeah. Is Bam here? Like all drunk and stuff.
Nah, Mikey doesn't even hardly drink. He stopped by and asked if April, or your mom, Mrs. Marger, would come on after she read her book. So he went. He just knocked on the door. Like, I've seen you in town. I've handed him my card. Hey, yeah, I got radio stations. And if you come on, and I won't ask for the sale. Like,